Hey everybody, it's Callie, 9th day of Christmas Advocare brought to me protein. I'm going to start off by talking to you of my favorite go-to meal replacement shake. It's been my go-to for almost 7 years now, every single morning. A great combination for breakfast is protein plus carbohydrates. Carbohydrates get your brain going, gets your body going, that quick energy, and protein helps keep you full longer throughout the day. This little shake right here happens to have 24 grams of protein and 24 grams of carbohydrates. It's a jump start for the day that you just can't always get in your breakfast needs. It's also got 5 grams of fiber to help your body work and do the things it's supposed to do. Most Americans aren't getting enough fiber, so this is a great go-to. I keep one in my gym bag, in my purse, in my car, in my desk at work. It helps me to make sure that I'm gonna make great choices and stay on track with my goals. Plus, I love the flavor. It's very convenient. Mix it with water, shake it up, and drink it. Tonight, I'm actually having meal replacement shake pancakes. I mixed one meal replacement shake with a banana and an egg, and it makes it just like pancake batter. Fry it up, and they're delicious. The other things that I love that are protein-based with Advocare is this is Pro 20. It's a great pre-workout for power, endurance, agility. It's easily digestible protein, but it's also a really great snack. So I'll keep this actually in my bag on my carry-on when I go in on a trip. On the plane, I will put this in a little Ziploc bag. This with Spark, Rehydrate, maybe Oasis, maybe a couple bars, but this is keeping me from spending $100 in McDonald's food in the airport. And then finally, my all-time favorite is brand new, this ready-to-drink protein. This has been our go-to for everyone in our family for quite some time now. I love it as an afternoon snack. I've used it before and after a workout as well, but it's my all-time favorite for afternoon snack. And really good is if you put it in the freezer, cut off the top and spoon it out just like ice cream. So those are some quick tips for you. Get your protein in a good and easy way and also help you stay on track. Hope you guys are enjoying these tips. I love you. Have a great Christmas. Bye.